time I scroll through a social media, I never fail to see someone posting something about people being fake and how friendships are not the same and how people don't know how to value each other. I agree, but this is where you come in as a human being, as a grown-up, as someone who's growing up, and you have to realize who's actually worth keeping in your life and who's not. If you are keeping people around you who constantly cause drama, who are not there for you, who are not good friends, who are a bad influence to you, that do things that you don't like, why are you complaining? Just walk away. But it's easier said than done. It's so hard to get rid of people that have been in your life for such a long time. I love him, I love her. Guys, if they're not bringing any positive into your life and this person's not growing, if you have it in you to grow and that person doesn't, the only thing they're gonna do is bring you down. You don't need that kind of person in your life at all. You guys have to understand that growing up is that it's drifting away from people that were probably in your life for a really long time, and they're not gonna be in your life anymore because they don't have the same ambition that you do. It's okay to outgrow your friends. It is okay to outgrow people that have been in your life for a really long time. It's okay to do that because you're making moves with your life and they're not. And you can stay next to a person trying to help them, but nothing's gonna happen if they're not trying to help themselves. So you shouldn't feel guilty for changing. You shouldn't feel guilty for growing. Not fake because you moved on to bigger and better things in your life. They're not fake because they decided to stay wherever they're at. It's not like that. It's not about being fake. It's about growing up and drifting away. It happens. You think different, they think different, nothing bad of it. It just happens. It has happened to me with people that I know since I was 7, people that I know since I was 15. And no, it doesn't make you a bad person. It doesn't make you fake for distancing yourself, for cutting people off, for walking away from people, because the moment you do, you're gonna bump into people that have the same mentality as you do. And when you do find people that think the same way you do, when you find people with the same ambition as you, your life changes completely. You begin to see what a real friendship is about. To realize how amazing it is to have honest people around you, people that actually do care for you, people that actually do want the best for you, that are not jealous of you, that don't envy you, but believe in you. That's what I'm trying to say is, don't be afraid to let go. Don't be afraid to walk away, and don't let them guilt you into like letting them go, because people will do that. They will try to make you feel shitty for cutting them off. Go into the little guilt trip. Don't do that. Do what's best for you, whatever makes you happy. Trust me, you'll be fine. You'll be great.